This is actually a video of the old fittings in continuation of the previous fittings, the Kitec. So this is basically what that whole assembly looked like. I'll just show it to you so you can compare it. But essentially, I'm holding it along with the other one. So originally this one was what is the old one, and it was welded on. I think that's just a copper pipe at the end, 3/4 inch, like used like a coupler. It was welded on onto that Kitec fitting over there, but now we're stuck because that Kitec fitting adapter KTC 1974 is the part number. That adapter, I'm not able to find it in any of the stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. So, and this is an attempt to use a PEX connector, but apparently the PEX connector does not work because these rings, I don't know if Kitec is meant to be clamped on to pipe like PEX is. So my installer was trying to use these rings, but they're not the right size to clamp on, and he was trying to use a clamp tool specific for Kitec. So that's why we are stuck, how to make these connections from the Kitec pipe to copper, either sweat or MIP connections. So um, that's the old assembly with the ball valve. The ball valve was also leaking, so that's why, even though it was closed, the water was still coming into the water heater from the inlet. So essentially, we're trying to find how to connect, make these connections, or find the adapter, which is KTC F1974.